Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Charlie. On behalf of Charlie the Cook and Drews cooking channel, I would like to wish you and your family a merry little Christmas. I'm just playing with y'all. I'm just using my voice, just playing around with it. But yeah, I hope everybody is doing well. As far as Christmas dinner goes, I did cook a little bit of something for myself. I didn't really want to do too much because I'm going to be cooking for New Year's as well, so I didn't want to cook a lot of food like how I did for Thanksgiving. Or Thanksgiving was brutal. That was like 21 items, one of the biggest ones that I've ever had to date. But for Christmas, it's always small because, you know, like I said, you gotta cook for New Year's, and that's it. As far as announcements goes, I'm gonna save that for the New Year's video that I'm releasing in a couple of days, which we're gonna be ringing in the new year of 2021. Can you believe it? Oh my goodness, this year passed by fast. You always say that when like every time when a year flies by, dang, this year passed by so quick. But in actuality, you know, it's a long process. Yeah. But anyways, let me quit babbling. On to the food presentation. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with that. So let's go. Alright, here is the food, and we're gonna get started with the desserts first. Here I have a sweet potato pie, which I made from scratch, and here is the other sweet potato pie, which I made from scratch as well. And here I have a homemade apple pie from scratch. I was supposed to make this for Thanksgiving, but I decided to make it for Christmas instead. Now the crazy thing about this is that none of these pies are for me, they're for someone else. And right here we have the candied yams. As you can see, it's all the food that I have is cold, so that's why the presentation is a little off, because I wanted to be finished before Christmas Eve, and I got that done. And here we have the sweet peas. Here is the seafood cornbread dressing, which I made from scratch. This is also for someone else. And here I have the rotini and cheese. Now a lot of people are wondering, what in the world is this? Why is that color off? Well, actually, I didn't want to use elbow macaroni, so what I did was I used whole wheat rotini pasta instead. So this is actually rotini and cheese instead of macaroni and cheese. You know what I'm saying? But hey, macaroni and rotini is just about the same thing. It's pasta, okay? So yeah, so I decided to use whole grain pasta for this, and that's it. And lastly, here we have the holiday ham. Look at how good that looks. Oh yeah, look at it, yeah. I can't wait, I can't wait. Ooh, I can't wait till I have a slice of this, yeah. Oh, look at that. I'm just playing with y'all, yeah. Yeah, but this is the holiday ham. I just recorded this yesterday for my newest YouTube video. Yay! Yeah, so the link to that will be in the description box. This is the holiday spiral ham right here. Yay! And that is it for the food presentation. And that is it for the food presentation. I know that was pretty small compared to the Thanksgiving where I did 21 items, but this time I only made 8. Just 4 things for myself and 4 things for someone else. That's it. And it didn't really take me that long. It really was like, maybe like I was able to cook everything in maybe like 1 or 2 days, because I did everything in stages or whatever. So it was much easier to do versus the Thanksgiving. Oh my goodness. But yeah, but for the sweets, I didn't really do any pies or cakes, anything for myself, because you know I already ate enough whole cakes and whole pies, so let's just stay away from that, you know. But yeah, and wait, I forgot to tell y'all this, that all of the food that I cooked, I have recipe videos for every last item that you saw in the food presentation. And the only thing you have to do is type the name of the recipe, whether it's sweet potato pie, cornbread dressing, holiday ham. Just type the name of the recipe along with my name and press in the search engine, press search, and the video will pop up. And I also have an official website for all of my recipes, www.charliethecookandrews.com. Again, of course, I'm already on Facebook and on Instagram across the board. It's Charlie the Cook Andrews, okay? That is it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope everybody's doing well. And in closing, I would like to take this time to thank all of my subscribers and followers all across the board on YouTube with the 240,000 subscribers. I cannot believe it. Oh my goodness. On my Instagram, it's like 7,000. On Facebook, I'm at 12,000. So thank you all so very much. I'm truly grateful and really appreciate each and every last one of y'all for all the love and support that you show me. And I will see you all for the New Year's video. Yeah. And until next time, have a merry little Christmas. Peace.